Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to check if your Alipay account is restricted. Okay. Well, this is really easy. What we need to do is open our app, and right here we're gonna find this option called account. Okay, we're gonna click this option, and right here we're gonna see all these settings or uh, options right here. We're gonna click this icon, as you can see, is a button, uh, like like a nut. Okay, and right here, we're gonna click these options called account and security. Right here, we're gonna find all these options. We're gonna find these options called security center. We're gonna click this, and right here, okay, we see this. We're gonna click this uh, option called restrictions. We're gonna click, and right here we're gonna click this button if we detect uh, some issue. uh, right here, actually, no current account security issues. uh, that means we account is very good. But if you as you can see, this will appears and everything's good right here. Okay, you must have this like me to see this is all very good. Okay, this if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.